wedding anniversary, traditional wedding, chieftaincy conferment, or fala,
Okay, guys, good
etc.
morning, good afternoon,
Approach
good evening,
Ebona the
wherever you're
103
watching
of
from.
Path
Please
FM
like, subscribe, and
Ogidi
share. Right,
today
hit the
to
subscribe button right
document your
here below.
event.
Check
Ebona
this
the
out. It's on
103 of Path FM
Amazon.com. Hip
offers
hop and
you
Igbo
live
culture by yourself,
coverage
Philip
of
Anthony
your
Evangelist.
events
Okay,
on radio
we will have
and
dialogue.
social
Stick
media.
around for the video.
Video and photo coverages feature on magazines, photo books, and others. News coverage of political and other events. Take this offer and receive a complete coverage. For more information, call or WhatsApp 08065796599 or you visit Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi opposite Omunike Boys inside the European Residency Hotel Ogidi.
Good morning and welcome to Ebona the 103.5 FM News Update. Today, Tuesday, the 18th day of February 2025, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Shuku Ekeze is my name. The headlines: Nigerian police set up joint security force against sit-at-home in Anambra. Again, Wabara eulogizes Oti for outstanding performance, dares Abia PDP to expel him. Stakeholders in Anambra State urge Governor Soludo to continue the onslaught against criminality. Now, details. Nigeria police set up joint security force against sit-at-home in Anambra. Anambra State Police Command has established a joint security force to address the Monday sit-at-home enforced by the proscribed indigenous peoples of Biafra (IPOB) in the state. The team comprised the military, Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, Department of State Services, Federal Road Safety Corps, and the other security agencies. The State Police Public Relations Officer SP Tochukwu Ikenga made this known in a statement on Monday in Oka. Recall that IPOB emplaced the seat at home in the five southeast states since 2021. Ikenga stated that the Commissioner of Police in Anambra, Ikoye Orutugu, had urged police operatives and key security stakeholders to ensure continuous security dominance, anti-crime, and the sit-at-home patrol in the state. Orugugu urged collective efforts of residents in condemning any act that threatens national peace and resolved to work together for the betterment of the state. The commissioner also assured the residents of improved and unified response to security challenges and public safety. Ikenga said. Again, Wabara eulogizes Oti for outstanding performance, dares Abia PDP to expel him, with the dust raised by his open admiration of Abia State Governor Alex Oti yet to settle. The chairman, Board of Trustees, DOT of the People's Democratic Party PDP, Senator Adolphus Wabara, has again stirred the honest nest. Wabara was on February 11, 2025, suspended by the leadership of Abia State chapter of PDP for appreciating the achievements of Governor Oti and even endorsing him for second term in office, though the National Working Committee of PDP promptly dismissed the suspension order. The Abia PDP leadership has refused to budge. But on Sunday, Wabara for the first time publicly reacted to the sanction imposed on him, saying that nobody can gag him from commenting on the good things happening in his state, Abia, since Oti came to power. The former Senate president spoke in Umuahia during the 80th anniversary celebration of a former secretary to the Abia state government, Dr. Emily K. Okoro. He deviantly called the bluff of his state party leadership. Stakeholders in Anambra State urge Governor Soludo to continue the onslaught against criminality. Since Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo-led government launched the Udo Gachi Homeland Security, stakeholders in the state cannot help but to applaud the governor for the initiative that have seen drastic reduction in crime in the state. Market leaders and leaders of social-cultural groups continue to encourage Governor Soludo to continue the onslaught against criminality in the state. Here is a report. Please take a listen.
Overwhelming excitement amongst the traders in Anambra State about the impact of the efforts of Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo in curbing criminality in Anambra State through his Udogashi initiative that brought the kidnapping, robbery, and other criminality to a bare minimum. The excitement about this development can be seen in expression of appreciation towards Governor Charles Soludo by various market leaders who encouraged him to continue the onslaught against criminality. The President General of Building Materials International Market, Ogidi, Chief Jude Nwankwo, encouraged Governor Charles Soludo to continue the onslaught against criminality. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni nke ka nke oziere ndị oke ite na ndị otu nta niile ndị eze nwaanyị na eze nwoke onye ọbụla oke n'ọsọ ngwere n'ọsọ so na ọ dụzigbo ihe ahụ mgbe nke eziokwu na ojerigo ebe ọ na-adị ile anya n'ala Igbo anyị mebeziere mefe oke onye nọkọta sị na ya wụzi onye na-enye ego na ọwụzi Chukwu na-enye ego eji ha nọ nye kpọrọ ya ego mana kịta ihe a gwaziri ha wa abịazie ka ịkpụzie ego gosi ha etu esi akpụ ya ọ na-ebiaruo ego ịgba gọọmenti maọbụ ndị nchekwa egosi ha etu esi kpọrọ ha ego asụsụ ego eji obu na ama na ị na-eme n'eziokwu mana ka anyị ji wee fa anyị fụrụ nọ ndị a na-azụ ndị ochi na ndị kidnappers gọvanọ na-enyefe anyị ha ji ego ọ na-enye ha gotere ha ego ọ na-akụziri ha ọ na-aja ha ike ọ na-emekwu ka ụmụazị anyị ha bụkwuo ma akwụkwọ ma achịa mbọyị ndị Igbo ji weta mba ka ha gbarazie n'ịkwa mmadụ maka na vazili na ebe mbute n'ọnya na-ewu na ịta afọ adat obi so na ile anya ọ na-agba ka mgbaka n'ala Igbo akpụkpọ akpụkpọ imenu n'owe ekweghị nkwụsị mana immediately the governor metere the key etu na nsogbu adịgo. You will recall that Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo suggested that those who are speaking against Aguna Chamber security outfit are supporters of kidnappers and other criminals in the state. The president of Haneze Ndibo, Anambra State, Mr. Chukwuma Obaleziokwu, lauded Governor Charles Soludo for his wonderful works in security.
In Anambra State, yes, and I want to use this opportunity in cognizance of the fact that this is an election year to call in the Anambra politicians and non-politicians to come together. Let's all put hands on deck and support His Excellency Professor Chukwuma Charles Soludo for a better, stable, secured, and safe Anambra State. Udo ga-achị na Anambra ma anyị niile gbakọ aka ọnụ weta dị udo. Ndị ọgụ na-eche mba na-asịlụsị places that are suspected to be aiding or abetting crime in Anambra State, we commend them.
Honorable Osape also lauded Governor Soludo for Udogashi security outfit as he blames native doctors of the criminal activities in Anambra State.
Those that are in crime, not traditional practice.
Okay.
Traditional practice, they are not fetish. They practice what they know. Okay. But these people conflict to other issues to people.
However, Mr. Paul Okafor, the president of Mpo Main Market, lauded Governor Charles Soludo for his good works.
Yes, I know.
He, however, declared his intention to sanitize the Mpo Main Market of adulterated and expired products to build a good image for the market. From Mpo, Martin Ifeanyi Ekeze reporting.
There you have it. And this is where we draw the curtain on news update on Airborne at the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Nigeria police set up joint security force against a sit-at-home in Anambra. Again, Wabara eulogizes Oti for outstanding performance, dares Abia PDP to expel him. Stakeholders in Anambra State urge Governor Soludo to continue the onslaught against criminality. You just listened to news updates on Ebonade 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Ifeanyi Ekeze. Thank you for listening. Good morning.
Listen to news updates on Ebonade 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebonade FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that people are hoping for a new Nigeria.
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM. The challenges of documenting memories in the 21st century is gone. When you have everyone at the 103.5 FM here, what are you celebrating today? Birthdays, wedding anniversary, traditional wedding, chieftaincy conferment, or fala, etc. Approach everyone at the 103.5 FM Ogidi today to document your event. Ebona the 103.5 FM offers you live coverage of your events on radio and social media, video and photo coverages, feature on magazines, photo books and others, news coverage of political and other events. Take this offer and receive a complete coverage. For more information, call or WhatsApp 08065796599 or you visit Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi opposite Ogunike Boys inside Leovin Residency Hotel Ogidi.
What is our chance to produce a senator?
There's no road, no hospital, no water, and you're talking about dividend of democracy.
I beg, wait. They never pay pension and gratuity.
Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. Rock. Check this out. It's on Amazon.com. Hip hop and Igbo culture by yours faithfully, Martin Ifeanyi Ekeze. Okay.